Sanibonani, welcome back to my channel. Welcome back to Mkosi Nophile. Ngiyabonga kakhulu you guys for coming. Akhohlwa ukuthi subscribe, like, share you guys. Thank you so much for coming. You guys kune video engike ngayi record lapha about uFloyd Shivambu resigning, moving from EFF eya ku MK party. Ngiyakhumbula leyo video ngagcina ngiyidelete ngasayipostanga kuleli khaya. So uFloyd Shivambu waphuma ke wayojoina iMK party, allegedly akasekho ka EFF. He was the president, the vice president of the EFF. You guys abantu bethi yo Julius Malema is going through a lot now that uShivambu sekaphumile kwi EFF. Kwakuningi laphana abafethu kulokhu kukhulunywa ngoShivambu etrendile kwathiwa uyongena ke kwekababa Zuma iMK party. Ukhona ka babengakholwa bethi hayi ikhona into abayenzayo noJulius Malema. Do you think angasuka nje ka EFF just to go to the MK party? Into ekanjalo you guys kwaba kuningi. So manje ngiyabona ke EFF isatrenda namhlanje ku trend uJulius Malema no Mbuyiseni Ndlozi. Ngathi kuningi laphana when it comes to EFF you guys angazi kwenzakalani. Laphana ubaba uJulius Malema une clip yakhe trenda ekhuluma nje ngabantu abangathembekile abaphakathi kwe-EFF abahleli beposta njalo online, kodwa manje ngoba i-EFF isezinkinga nababonakala beposta kuningi you guys. So lana ke utrenda uMbuyiseni Ndlozi nonkosikazi wakhe you guys kuthiwa ke ubaba uFloyd Shivambu upostile lapha you guys uthe my poste something, then unkosikazi kaShivambu uMabathu Muntu waseyilike le post. Uthe my like le post ubaba uJulius Malema akathandanga yona into eyenzeka lapha on Twitter right now. uJulius Malema ke waseqala kuloke ekhuluma lezi indaba zokuthi there are people who are dishonest lapha epartini bahleli bepost aba active on social media nanku manje sisebunzimeni, they are saying nothing. Kuthiwa ke ipost leya eka baba uFloyd Shivambu emdinile angazi say your thoughts on the comment section. Don't come for me ngikufundela ke into elana ka Twitter ngoba mina ne politics you guys asijwayelana kangako. So ke ipost yaka Floyd Shivambu nansi ngizoyifunda ngizoyilahlela ku screen sami bese ngiyayifunda. Uthena the time comes in the life of any nation when there remain only two choices, submit or fight. That time has now come to South Africa. We shall not submit and we have no choice but to hit back by all means in our power in defense of our people, our future and our freedom. So ke kuthiwa ke laphana njengobona laphana abagombolozele uMontsho the Black, unkosikazi kaMbuyiseni Ndlozi loyana uMabathu Muntu siyamazi sonke, she is the actress. Angisamboni ke actor kwezinye indawo mhlambe ukuthi umuntu actor la amalokhu ngane ngabuki. She's an actress and yeah she is unkosikazi ka baba uMbuyiseni Ndlozi uMabathu Muntu. Ulayikile laphana kule post ka Shivambu kuthiwa ke ikhona ukucasula ubaba uJulius Malema waseqala ukukhuluma ke let me just ngifake ipost ka Julius Malema lapho a complain khona.
How can someone say the decision to join Umkhonto weSizwe is the best decision ever taken, and my wife Manto is the first one to like such a thing, and you say Julius Malema is with us when the partner likes the things that seeks to denounce the organization and where the organization stands, where the relatives, where the cousins and siblings have declared where they stand, and you still ask yourself, where does this leader stand? Look at those around him and you will know where this leader stand. Comrades,
because they want to see whether they will emerge in the upcoming Third National People's Assembly before they decide whether they will remain in the EFF or not. Many of them are using the Third National People's Assembly as a threat that if they do not get elected or are not part of the leadership discussions leading up to the conference, then they will leave and join MKP. We must never be blackmailed by those who want to threaten us with leaving after the Third National People's Assembly. I want to say to them, leave now. Leave now so that we can know how many soldiers we have in this struggle to liberate our people. You must leave today because nothing is going to change between now and December. Nothing is going to change now and in the future. The future looks bright because we determine it today. We are here to make our destiny for how the future looks like tomorrow. Leave now. We have no reason to beg anyone. If you want to leave, leave now and leave us alone. Even if we are alone, we'll always continue to speak truth to power. It's very painful.
Umuzwa kubaba uJulius Malema ngathi akathandanga nje uyakhuluma laphana bathi khona uFloyd Shivambu posted this on Instagram. Then Ndlozi's wife liked the post. It didn't sit well to Julius Malema. Manje bathi umbuyiseni Ndlozi must go. Bana this is someone sisho ukuthi ubaba uJulius Malema ucasulwe ukuthi ke uShivambu mayipostile okandlozi unkosikazi ulikile okusho khona ukuthi uyavumelana naye kusho ukuthi abathembekile yena nombuyiseni Ndlozi angazi you guys njengoba ke ngika Twitter ngizokufundela omunye uthe Dr Ndlozi needs to rescue himself from this person. There is no dignity and whatsoever in the EFF anymore. The dynamics of the EFF have changed for the worst. Julius Malema is just an angry man. Just for saying that but ubaba Julius Malema is an angry man. And then baloku bekhulumile laphana ngoba uJulius Malema bathi uJulius Malema does not only monitor your social media, he monitors even your family and relatives reactions just because umuntu ube likeile laphana wabona uJulius Malema bathi he monitors even your family and relatives reactions. Just like or retweet can make you be expelled in the EFF. I'm bleeding for Ndlozi. This is abuse but akam expellanga Nkosi yami. He's just a little bit upset in this kanjalo abantu balokhu bekhulumile ngayo laphana on Twitter ukuthi ubaba uJulius Malema ucasulwe ukuthi inkosikazi kaNdlozi ulike le post khona bembone khona bethu usay unlikeile uma bathu uhambe wayo unlike mhlawumbe uNdlozi uthe unlike shesha unlike lapho sesicasula uMalema angazi bafowethu. So omunye lapha nasithi Dr Ndlozi's wife busted for liking Floyd Shivambu's post on Instagram as he declared that moving to the MK party it is the best move for him. This is the reason why Julius Malema is furious. Wait, so this cloud wants to rule Ndlozi and his wife too. Malema is mentally ill. This is someone. But manje Malema sekafuna ukucontrola uNdlozi nonkosikazi wakhe nokuthi benzana on social media but hayi ngabantu lapha on Twitter you guys. But if Julius Malema criticized the individuals who are threatening to leave the party if they are not chosen for the leadership positions. Nangano omunye useposted laphana uthi Ndlozi's wife uMabathu Muntu is an adult and it is within her rights to have different political views. Mbuyiseni Ndlozi must leave the cult and join another political party simply because of lokho kwenzekayo ukuthi unkosikazi wakhe ulayikile and then uJulius Malema wakwata and angazi kunabantu abathi akaphume naye laphana ka-EFF. And then omunye wasesisho laphana apparently uMabathu Muntu unliked that post but uhambe wayo unlike mntakabawo sekubed. Ndlozi and his wife gets bullied by uMalema. Ndlozi must get better make a plan of seeing his way out of the EFF. That is someone you guys. So ke bampostile labantu Mabathu bamfaka kunye nepost ileyana yaka Shivambu. Bathi Mbuyiseni Ndlozi must protect his family and leave that cult of Julius Malema. After just liking a post bafethu after nje ukulike ipost kaShivambu agazi bafethu it is already here on social media but konke lokhu kudalwe ngulike wakaMabathu Muntu uthe mayilikeile nje ubaba uJulius Malema was furious. So kuningi lapha guys agazi your thoughts in the comment section, like the video, subscribe, share sibonana njalo ku video elandelayo. Bye.